Gerard Crozier, a great chef of New Orleans, prepares sea scallops with mayonnaise.
That's going to be the sauce for the scallop. It's a basic mayonnaise, just filled with egg yolk, mustard, and cooking oil. It doesn't have to be olive oil, just regular cooking oil. It's just good enough. With the salt and pepper, and you just make the mayonnaise. And once you have it done, you put some condiments, which is in that case you can be pretty versatile. I usually put tomato paste and some garlic, some tarragon leaves and parsley, and you can add really what, if you like some other herbs or condiments, you can really put whatever you want to taste for that particular dish. At the end of the mayonnaise, you always want to put some boiling hot vinegar. Keeps the eggs and the mayonnaise from turning bad.
Chef Crozier adds Worcestershire sauce, hot pepper sauce, chopped parsley, tarragon leaves, and tomato paste to the mayonnaise.
Put enough tomato paste to give a taste, and also it gives a nice color to the mayonnaise mixed with the parsley and the tarragon leaves. Looks very attractive.
The scallops are seasoned with salt and white pepper and tarragon before being sautéed. The orange pieces are scallop roe.
Those are beautiful sea scallops, and those are fresh sea scallops. And you want to cook them in very hot butter, and you cook them very, very fast. You don't want to cook the inside, otherwise the meat is going to be very, very dry. You want to keep them soft and juicy inside. So you just saute them as quick as possible. And you also want to be careful as you turn them around. You don't want to break them up. They're just about halfway cooked. They are not cooked all the way through, and it's just the way you want them. I put tarragon leaves on top. Put a little salt, pepper, and tarragon leaves on top. Because that's basically a tarragon sauce, so you just want to